Okay, so here's my veggie garden. I don't know how you can see it because I can't see it well, but I think it looks better in the camera. So I thinned out my Grand Rapids leaf lettuce and my iceberg lettuce just the other day. It still needs some thinning, but it's so hard to thin these. And then my dog's freaking out over there. Are you eating bees? Please don't eat bees. Oh, goodness gracious. Anyway, so I think it's time to start thinning my carrots a little bit. I'm wondering if I can thin them and put the thinned ones in a pot and just grow them for the foliage on top, you know, when it gets the little Queen Anne lace type deal. My onions are slow growing there. My hair's in the video. There. But look at my royal burgundy beans. Like, those are doing awesome. Actually, all my peas are doing really good too. They're starting to attach to the fence. You can see there. So that's super cool. But I can't wait for these because of the purple beans. Okay, so that's my veggie update. And I'm gonna do another little update, but it'll be separate.